Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. This came from Creative Notions. It is my bag. And was sent by FedEx this month. Let's see what's in there. I did it. Got into it. Pink Beehive Cotton Candy, Signature Pink Vanilla Honey from pinkbeehive.cc. Well, that would be our little treat, wouldn't it? We have apple glue. And there's everything out of the bag. And then we have this. I love these zipper pouches. They are awesome. Okay, so it has a handle on it. There's everything that came in it. Ooh, very pretty. So many things. I can't believe all the things she puts in here. So, Hexagon template, hexi set. Looks like we are going to do some hexis. So it shows you, that's what the glue is for. Oh my goodness, little pieces. And then here's another one. We got the 2-inch set, and I can't read this. This one is 2.5. Oh, it says right here, 2.5 and 2. Oh my goodness. February 2022. We'll read that in just a minute. And now she's doing monthly recipes. Put that up here. And then we have our Quilting Shortcuts tips and tricks. This is how to cut a fat quarter economically for this project. Look at all these teeny tiny pieces we're going to get out of it. Wow. So it shows you with each color how you're going to lay that out and cut it. And it's talking about the colors of this. Okay. Oh my goodness. Holy moly, I've never done this. I'm intimidated but excited at the same time. So here is a quilt pattern using that. It's called Chain Link Quilt, designed by Sugar and Spice. It looks like this fabric is Adel in Spring, fabric by Sandy Gervais for Riley Blake. There we go. Okay, so we have our little hexi cutting instructions. The pattern, here's our jewel sampler quilt. This is the Bear Paw block of the month. This is going to go in that binder. There's that. And now let's look in here. Grandma's Flower Garden table runners and pillows. Looky, oh my goodness, so tiny. That's almost actual size. Just kidding. It's maybe a tiny bit bigger. These are little. All right, let's see what else in here. Page 12. I want to go over here. Yep, it's instructions. So it's telling you out of each of the fabrics how much of each one you're going to need, and then how to cut it, how to assemble it. It looks like we're making a table runner, or at least it's doing a long row. Okay, I'm gonna try something new. This is showing you the round pillow and then how to finish it off, and the square pillow. Okay, I'm, like I said, intimidated and scared and excited. Intimidated and excited at the same time. I'm gonna put you back on your couch. Okay, so there's that, and here are my 2 hexis. Then we're gonna look at the fabric, but let's read what this says. Fabric guest winner was Patricia Perryman. Scrap winner is Sabrina Salcido. Project winner is Jennifer Elders. Recipe is Rose Hilba Honina. So sorry if I said your names wrong. Each of the winners I just listed will be getting a $40 value of a pre-cut jelly roll or pre-cut strips of 2.5 inches. Every month she does these, so enter, because she gives away so much stuff. $40 value is going to each of these 4 people. Send your pictures to info@creativenotionsquiltshop.com or just join the group and share, and they're on Facebook. Okay, this spring line is called Adel in Spring. Everything that you need to celebrate spring is in this collection of breezy floral main print with delightful leaves, berries, plaid, seeds, lacy stripes, and more. The palette is a bloom with green, lilac, buttercream, julep, aqua, heather, asparagus, and blush. These are really pretty. What's in the bag? Okay, so we have our 9 fat quarters. Let's look at this this way. Retail value is $28. The 2-inch hexagon template with 100 cardstock is $12. The 2.5-inch hexagon template with 100 cardstock pack is $14. The Julili applique glue, 0.5 ounces, is $4.25. Jewel block pattern chain link is $5. Quilting Shortcuts tips and tricks at $5. Grandmother's floral garden table runner and pillow pattern is $10. Lavender project bag, it doesn't have a value for that. And there's also the candy and the recipe, which she has not listed, that have a value. So she's given a bag value of $78.25, and there's stuff she didn't even list, so that's great. Okay, now noteworthy, a reprint is being included in your packet this month with corrections for the Bear Paw block from the Jewel Sampler. I thought this looked familiar. So there's some adjustments to the pattern from before. So that's a reprint of what had come out for the Jewel Sampler. Please disregard the first copy. Okay, we like to include a treat with each month. As adults, we can all realize our limitations are, so please, if you are not supposed to have sugar of any kind, simply pass the treat on to someone who doesn't have such a restriction. She doesn't want to be responsible for a sugar coma. Anyway, pattern correction, home is where the heart is. This is last month. Let's see. The video for Home is Where the Heart is now up on our YouTube channel. I believe this is last month. I'm drawing a blank off the top of my head, but I believe so because it was all heart themed. And so this is the pattern correction, and the video is now on their YouTube channel to see her put that together and see. Okay. Hexagons, whether you love them or hate them, hexagons are fun. I'm indifferent. I'm scared of them. It's a great pastime while riding in the car, playing or watching TV. But if you aren't able to do the handwork, then sew them together with a sewing machine for an equally beautiful result. Our new Hexagon Rulers are as cute as they are useful, and you get the papers. So they also have some kits. Check out the kits in the store. Okay, we have these things. They have a new website. We're working hard to get our new website up and running. We are very excited about this change and hope that you'll all find it more useful and easier to find the products that you want. Some of you may have noticed that there have been some issues with pricing on our current website changing drastically. Well, that is a surprise to us as well. So, gremlins in the system. If you see a detail that's too good to be true, then it probably is. Please double check us before purchasing. Email or call us with your concern. We aren't able to honor the prices when they aren't put in by us. So I have a feeling they've had some things not in their favor, and they're asking us to please double check before we place an order if we see something. All right, check out our Handmaid ruler holders. Now, when I went and did my tour with her, I asked her if they would be offering these, and she said her husband made them. So it looks like either she found someone to do it or she talked him into it. But it holds 12 of the Creative Notions rulers. Choose your color option, stained or natural wood. Put your choice color in the note of your order. Those are nice. They have a lot of slots and they're wide. Okay, she also has a discount this month. Subscribers get 10% off all orders on the website and Long Arm Quilting. There is a code to use at checkout that you only get that's in your box here, your bag. But wow, packed with lots of good things. Now, what we've all been waiting for, let's look closely at our fabric. Isn't that pretty? Oh, all right, let's do this. How can I do this? Well, we'll do this. Do you see that? It is just gorgeous. Don't know why. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna do this a little different, ladies and gentlemen. I need to not assume every one of you are a lady. There are some guys out there too. I know quite a few. I love this blender, and so far I'm very happy with everything that came in here. You know, I would not normally put these together, but they look beautiful together. They definitely tie in, and I like what they've done. This is a tiny little floral. You can look, if you look closely, you can see there's like a circle. There is actually a pattern to it. Here's another one. Makes me think of lace and lilac. Oh, I grew up with lilac bushes all around our house, and that instantly makes me think of my childhood because we had tons of the purple lilacs. And it just keeps getting better, and what's cool is nothing has repeated. And not that I mind repeats, but there just isn't anything. So they're all different prints, definitely part of the same collection. Beautiful, beautiful fabrics. Okay, again, this is Adel in Spring by Sandy Gervais for Riley Blake Designs. If you need more of this, have more questions, go to their website for Creative Notions or their Facebook group, or just email them. Again, email address is info@creativenotionsquiltshop.com. And tell Vicki I sent ya. Also keep in mind, if you sign up for this bag because you don't have it yet, and you mention soft squares, you will get a 10% discount on your first order. So if you are still putting off doing that and you want to, as long as there's availability, she will honor that. So get to it. Get yourself on the list. That's it. Thank you and have a great day.